Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about strawberries and I have some tips and ideas for you for using strawberries. So if you're looking for some ideas for something a little different to do, hopefully this will help you out. Now this list is long, so I've broken it up into two parts. We have a tips and ideas for strawberries, part 1 and part 2. This is part 1. I have a good salad idea for you here. Try a salad with mixed greens, sugar snap peas, chopped fennel, goat cheese, sliced strawberries, and some toasted walnuts. Top it with a balsamic vinaigrette and you are good to go. How about trying another salad with spring mixed greens, sliced strawberries, toasted sunflower seeds, crumbled blue cheese, and some dried cranberries. Top that with a white balsamic vinaigrette dressing. Try adding whole, sliced, or even crushed strawberries to fruit salads, ice cream, or sorbets. Why not decorate a cheese tray with whole strawberries? Oh, the two go wonderfully together. Here's a great appetizer or even a dessert for you. Hull some strawberries, take some of those green tops off and maybe dig down in there a little bit to remove some of the pulp from them as well. And then top them and fill that cavity with some mascarpone cheese that was mixed with a little bit of lemon zest. Sounds wonderful. Why not top your overnight oats with a little bit of freshly sliced strawberries? For a simple dessert, top some ice cream or yogurt with some sliced strawberries. Then if you really want to dress it up, drizzle it with some melted dark chocolate on top. Sounds wonderful. If you have strawberries that have gotten overripe, try including them in pies, cookies, mousses, soufflés, flans, smoothies, puddings, or even cakes. How about a refreshing beverage? Just blend together 2 cups of frozen strawberries, 2 cups of seedless cubed watermelon, 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice, 1/4 of a cup of sugar or sweetener of your choice. You could even use frozen red grapes in place of the sweetener. And use as many of them as you want. Blend all that together, it sounds wonderful. And for a simple way to flavor up any green salad, just add some sliced strawberries in there and it'll add a fruity touch and it'll be really delicious. We do this all the time. I do hope this helps you out. Stay tuned for part 2. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.